multiply with me. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. Hit the like button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post new videos. Table 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. Thank you, and may God bless you.